Alright, let me quickly show us how to set up a video on a YouTube account. So what you need to do is a Gmail account. When you have a Gmail account, you have access to your to upload video to Gmail, to YouTube. So you can see YouTube there. So let me click on the YouTube. So from there, it's going to open like this for you. So when it open like this, if you have an account, then you can easily upload your video from here. So you click on the plus, so it's telling you to create. So inside it we have upload video, go live, and create post. So you're going to click upload video. So it will load out a panel for you like this, telling you to drag your video or to go to it. So let me bring up my video now. I have it already, I've edited it and it's fine. So I will just, let me minimize in a little way, let me take it to the side. Then I can easily grab my video and drag it. You can also browse to your video if you like, but I choose to drag it like this, make my work faster. So then it's going to take time to load. So while it's uploading it, you see the counter counting down there, uploading in percentage. So what you need to do first is that you need to change the title. It's going to display the name that you used to save the video. So you need to quickly edit it and put the name that you actually want there. So after deciding on the name that you need to do, the next thing you see it is still loading. While it's loading, it will generate your URL for you. You can easily copy that URL, but the description is important. So you must have written your description well written somewhere. I've copied mine and I've dropped it so you can see it. So everything you put there, that is what people will see when they click your video to watch. After watching, they want to read the description. Maybe you want to direct them to a particular URL somewhere, or you want to direct them to an address. You want them to know more about you, your LinkedIn, your information, everything you want them to see. After watching the video, you put them there, so you can see take more character. It's very big like that. So now what I need to do again is that I need to upload a thumbnail. So you must have designed a thumbnail as well. So let me scroll down. In my you can check up a video on how you can easily do a thumbnail like this one that I'm uploading now. It's very easy to do. Even if you're not a designer, you can easily come up with something like this. So you can select your thumbnail from your video, or you can upload it like this. Now the other thing you need to do is to select the playlist. Now let me show you how to create a new playlist, because I have mine already. So here I just select and I create new playlist. So it's going to allow you to give it a name and a description. Playlist is like group. You can use that to group your video. Let me cancel out from here because I'm not creating anyone. I have the one I need already. So I have it, my video, in group like this. So I want to add it to training session. That's what I want to add this video to. Then if I've selected that, the next thing I need to do, I click on done. Then I'm doing all this one while my video is still uploading. Okay, I think it has done uploading. So if I scroll down now, next thing I need to do is I need to check it is not for children. So you have to indicate that. Then after you have done that, then you click on next. So there's nothing really to do at this page. Click next again. As well, there's nothing to do here again. Click on next. So you're going to ask you, is it private, unlisted, or public? This is going to be public. Now look at my video. It has checked everything, it has verified it, it has no issue. These three you have to check the three must be completed. Then you can now go ahead and publish your video. So immediately you publish, it's going to load it out, save it somewhere for you. It give you the link. You can copy the link. You can easily send it to your WhatsApp from here, Facebook, or whatever you want, but I don't want any of this. Let me just close it out from here. Then you wait a little while you see your video displaying like this. It will list it and you'll be able to see the information. So in a case you want to have a quick view of what you have done, then you can double click on it like this. It's going to list it up for you like this. Now you use this method in the case you want to edit at time, maybe your description, or you want to quickly do a quick play of what you have done. Now I copied the link the other time. Now I can come here and paste the link. So I play the link. I want to see how it look like when somebody is actually watching it. So it's actually look beautiful. So people can pick their comments, can count the number of views and everything. So this is how what people will see when they are on your page. So it is as easy like as this to upload your video on the YouTube. So I just show you how to do that. and I think YouTube will be able to upload your video at any time as possible. So see you in the next video where I show you some other important thing to do online. Thank you so much.